Today, we're comparing two top contenders in the ultra-high-performance tire segment, the Yokohama Advan Sport V107 and the Continental PremiumContact 7. Since its 2018 debut, the Advan Sport V107 has been known for its balance of comfort and sporty handling. Meanwhile, the PremiumContact 7, launched in 2022, has set new standards in the UHP and touring segments. How do they stack up? Let's dive in. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Yokohama Advan Sport V107 set as the reference point at 100%. In wet conditions, the Continental PremiumContact 7 takes the lead, with a shorter stopping distance of 27.1 meters compared to the Advan Sport V107's 29.7 meters. The difference of 2.6 meters can be crucial in emergency situations. When it comes to wet handling, the PremiumContact 7 is again faster, completing the lap in 92.06 seconds, over 2.5 seconds quicker than the Advan Sport V107. Not only does it shine in time tests, but in subjective wet handling as well, scoring 9.8 out of 10 versus the V107's 9. Additionally, its superior aquaplaning resistance means better grip in heavy rain. It's clear the PremiumContact 7 excels in wet conditions. Switching to dry conditions, the Continental PremiumContact 7 again outperforms in braking, stopping 1.27 meters shorter than the Yokohama Advan Sport V107. However, when it comes to dry handling lap times, the Advan Sport V107 shows its prowess, narrowly beating the PremiumContact 7. Despite this, the PremiumContact 7 edges out in subjective handling, giving drivers slightly better feedback and control on the road. When it comes to longevity, the Continental PremiumContact 7 stands out with a remarkable mileage performance. It lasts over 5,000 kilometers longer than the Advan Sport V107. Its lower abrasion rate further emphasizes its durability, wearing down more slowly over time, ideal for those looking for a tire that goes the distance. For those prioritizing comfort and a quieter ride, the PremiumContact 7 is the clear winner. It scores a perfect 10 out of 10 in comfort, while also producing a lower noise level of 71.9 decibels compared to the Advan Sport V107 rating of 72.9 decibels. These small differences can make a big impact on long drives or city commutes. In terms of rolling resistance, which impacts fuel efficiency, the PremiumContact 7 again shows superiority with a lower rolling resistance value. To sum it up, the Continental PremiumContact 7 proves to be the all-around performer, excelling in wet, dry, comfort, mileage, and rolling resistance, while the Yokohama Advan Sport V107 excels slightly in dry handling lap times. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.